kami pupunta.
Guys, spring na. Almost summer. And we're gonna get ice cream today.
Yun na guys, ang ice cream truck. Ayan, ice cream. Ice cream. Diyan kami pupunta.
Guys, nandito na kami.
Yan oh, ice cream daw, 80 flavors. Dami ah. Saan tayo upo? Oo, puno.
The ice cream vanilla.
Why?
I want the frozen yogurt vanilla.
Tayo, picture. Ayan. Iniabot na yan. Thank you.
Thank you. I had vanilla ice cream.
Yogurt. Dati ka.
Ube, makapuna.
Ako, chocolate fudge.
But mine, I was gonna order cookies and cream, but they were sold out.
The way your body syncopates, you're driving me crazy. And lately I ain't thinking straight. Your body's amazing.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. See you on the next vlog.